Hi, this is Yashashni from Chennai. I recently took my IELTS paper-based exam and got 7 overall band score. Thanks to GTQ for helping me achieve the desired band score. Earlier, when I decided to take my IELTS exam, I had no clue about the band descriptors, the modules, or the way I'll be scored. But then, when I came across GTQ on Instagram, I registered for a demo session with them. And then, when I attended that, I instantly booked for my speaking and writing module because I thought without their help, I can't achieve the band score which I wanted. My mentor was Mr. Neeraj. He was really very helpful in providing me valuable feedback for my essays which I wrote. And apart from the 5 mock tests which GTQ provided, whenever I wrote new essays and came up with more doubt, he had separate sessions for me and helped me clear them also. Thank you, Mr. Neeraj, and thank you, GTQ.